Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Shopify's custom CSS field. The custom CSS field simplifies the process of adding CSS to your theme, making it much easier than the older method. It allows you to easily add CSS targeting specific element without affecting the entire website. Previously, to add custom CSS, you had to access your theme's code editor, and for that, you need to log into your Shopify store and click on the online store here. Then you need to click on three dots here and click the edit code option here. Now you need to search for the base.css file under the asset sections and click on it. Now if you want to edit something into the CSS, you just need to go to the end of the file and you can add your CSS here. While this method is still helpful for extensive CSS changes, it's not the best option for the simple tweaks. For the simple tweaks like updating the colors, font size or font families, the new custom CSS field is perfect. And to use this feature, you need to go to the online store again here and then click on the customize button here. Now we need to select the specific section we want to modify. For example, if I want to modify the CSS of this particular section, I need to select this and modify the CSS I want to. For example, if I want to edit or the font of this heading, I just need to select this section and then scroll down to here. Now at the end you can see the custom CSS drop down here. Just click on it and you can see the custom CSS block here. Here we can add the CSS by targeting the specific element. For example, if I want to change the font size and color of this heading, first I need to identify the class or ID of this heading to target this specific heading only. And to do this, we need to go to the front end of our store and inspect the website. As I'm here in the front end, I just need to click on the right mouse click and click on the inspect button, inspect option here at the end. Now in order to select this, I just need to click on this icon here and click on the heading here. As you can see, this is h2 tag and we have the class here. So all what you need to do is copy this class here and paste here with the help of dot. Now under the curly braces we can add our CSS inside. For example, if I want to update the font size to 30 pixel, you can see the font size is updated. Now for example, if I want to change the color, I just need to write color and for example blue. As you can see, the color is updated and the font size as well. Now once you are done with the CSS changes, you need to click on the save button here. And once I go to the front end and I refresh the page, you can see the font color and font size is updated. We can follow this process for each section and each page here. Well, that's all for the custom CSS.
Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such content and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. If you have feedback or any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.